What's up? It's Star. Hey, oh my gosh. Okay, hey, I'm ain't gonna get you far. Alright. So, somebody's like being left out. And they're unable to create. And because they're trying to come in to somebody's life with a lack of adoration. Like, and they're only really trying to come into your life because okay, actually the card is kind of like got weird. Like there's a lack of ground here, like it's kind of like up in the air. I don't know why you're trying to come into a relationship. Like this person's like more like outer space, but you know somebody else is more stable. So I don't know, it's just like so somebody's being protected from what I got was an air sign, okay, wind on it. Libra, Aquarius, Gemini, because yeah, the cards kind of got